Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of keeping the names inside of a family tree. And here'd just be another way, and I don't know if they're gonna like this idea. We've already centered the Keith. It is still grouped together. You can't really text a path because the whole circle is gonna still cut out. Another way you could do it would be to take the envelope tool and take this to the very top, a little bit past, and just make an envelope out of this, trying to stay even. I'm going a little fast, so this is a little bit down. And then you could actually play with each handle to make sure that other part of the K goes down there. We could move this up a little bit. You would just want all the letters on the outside of that threshold of that arch. And I'm not doing a very good job, but you could actually, and you can nudge nodes up. Take your shape tool and just take that node and just nudge it up a little bit. Well, of course, I grab the circle. You wouldn't need to do that when you had the envelope tool. Just take your envelope nudge and just ever so slightly nudge it up. Well, I'm actually on the circle again. There we go. There we go. Now, change your nudge factor to 20, well, we can do 10 inches because it'll get off the tree. And take this and nudge it over 10 twice, nudge the circle over 10 twice, and then select it all and go front minus back, and then nudge it back over. Now it is distorted it a little bit, so I'm not saying it's what you're gonna want, but it looks pretty cool. Now the Keith probably looks the worst because it's the least amount of letters. And, like the Jacqueline, the Jonathan, and then everybody, well, the Adrian will be good, but they're going to be a little bit, they're going to look better, I think, than the Keith, even though it looks pretty good. Kind of looks like part of the tree. But that's just a suggestion. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.